हाँ
Good to see you
जी
again.
हाँ
How is it
जी
going?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम की हाल है हनी जी
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic day.
मैं
Anything
ठीक
interesting?
मैं ठीक
Oh,
हाँ मैं दसना सी कि मैं लाहौर गया सा
already leaving. Well, take care and have a wonderful day. Oh, I'm sorry for misunderstanding. That's amazing. You went to Lahore. How was your trip? Did you get to try any delicious food or visit any interesting attractions? I'd
जी
love to hear all about it.
जी मैं उत्थे शाही किले गए सा ते उस तो बाद असी कीमे वाले नान खाधे ने बहुत स्वाद आया
Oh, that sounds absolutely delicious. I can almost taste the kaimul naan just thinking about it. I'm glad you got to experience such a tasty treat. Did you try any other local dishes while you were there?
हाँ फलूदा भी खाधा सी वो बहुत स्वादी सी
Have flodavika sounds like a fun and adventurous dish. I'm all for trying new things, so count me in. It's
ਤੁਸੀਂ
always exciting to explore different flavors and culinary experiences.
ਤੁਸੀਂ
Did you
ਕਦੀ
enjoy the flodavika?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਗਏ ਹੋ
Oh, I wish I could say that I've been to Lahore, but unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to visit yet. It's definitely on my travel bucket list, though.
ਚਲੋ
I've heard so many wonderful.
ਚਲੋ ਛੱਡੋ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਉਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਜਾਓ
I'm sorry if I gave the wrong impression, but I'm not familiar with anyone named Lorna. Is there something specific you'd like to talk
नहीं
about or
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਿਊਸਟਨ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਿਨ
Oh, I apologize for the misunderstanding. Thank you for the invitation. Houston sounds like a fantastic place to visit. I've heard great things about the city, especially its vibrant art scene and delicious food. If
वैसे
I ever find myself.
वैसे कहना नहीं चाहिए तू है बड़ी चालाक
Oh, thank you for the kind words. I'm here to help and chat with you, so feel free to share anything on your mind.